Oh. Plus
Huh?
a bubble. Bubble one. Bubble, bubble, bubble.
Okay. Are you making a mess? We're gonna have to clean the porch off so somebody doesn't slip and fall.
I don't slip.
No, but somebody else might.
What?
Like Daddy.
And then my dad had to go to the hospital.
And that wouldn't be good, would it?
No.
What would they do at the hospital?
They would snap him in the nose. And my dad will get hurt.